Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix ARK Survival Evolved is crashing or crashing on startup. Guys, first solution is try this command only if crash on startup. First open up the Steam, then just go to your ARK game, then just click on that gear icon, go to game properties. Now here you will see the launch option. Now just type here -tx11. Once you type it, now launch the game, then check your crashing problem is fixed or not. If not, then just type here -tx12. Now launch the game, then check still not launching or crashing, then just type here -t3d11. Now launch the game and check your crashing problem 6 or not. If not, then just remove this and just uncheck the box of Steam overlay while in game, then launch the game, then check still crashing, then just go to the install files, click on the verify integrity of game files. It will take some time, so just wait for it. Then simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. If your game is still crashing, then just click on the pause option and locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on your game launcher and go to its properties, go to the compatibility tab. Now here just uncheck this box and also uncheck this box and just check the box of administrator. Then click on apply option. Now launch the game, then check. If your game is still crashing, then just check the box of disable. Click on apply. Now launch the game, then check. Still crashing, then just check the box of compatibility mode and choose the Windows 8. Then click on the apply option. Now launch the game, then check. Guys, if your game is still crash on startup or crashing in mid game, then just go to your Windows search and just type here the Windows update and open it. Once you open up the Windows update, simply update your Windows and also make sure that your graphic card drivers are up to date. Once you update your Windows or graphic card driver, simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Guys, if your problem is still not fixed and your game is still crashing, so the next solution that you can try is make a right click on your taskbar and open up the task manager. Then go to the startup application and here simply disable all the application, because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crash issues. So make a right click on all of these that are useless and just disable these, then simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Guys, try out this solution and I hope one of these fixes your problem, and if yes, please like this video and bye bye.